this. Civil Services Prelims 2021 exam will be hampered if CSE 2020 is deferred any further. UPSC tells Supreme Court. This was posted on 30th September 2020, last year. Hello dear friends, hi. See, as a UPSC aspirant, my only concern right now is, will the exam get postponed or not? Just like me, many of the students will also have the same concern. I know the concern is really genuine and there's a lot happening in the country right now. So we are really worried whether the exam will take place on June 27th or will it get postponed. In this case, let me share some of my thoughts and opinions with you guys. Point number 1. Will UPSC conduct prelims without completing previous year interviews? The question is clear. See, recently we received a notification about the postponement of personality test of UPSC 2020. Nobody knows when it will be conducted until the new notification arrives. In a scenario like this, how can we expect the prelims of 2021 to take place? Is it not? Also, we need to recall what happened last year. Okay, prelims was supposed to be held on 31st May, but it was postponed to October 4th due to pandemic and lockdown, right? But even on October 4th, many of the students did not want the exam to take place. That was because they had transportation issues, pandemic issues, etc. So petition was filed in Supreme Court against the UPSC for exam postponement on October 4th. But what did UPSC do? It held the exam on October 4th only. So what did UPSC answer in the Supreme Court? Just have a look at this. Civil Services Prelims 2021 exam will be hampered if CSE 2020 is deferred any further. UPSC tells Supreme Court. This was posted on 30th September 2020, last year. It also stated that it would not be in a position to declare the results of 2020 exam without delaying the already scheduled 2021 prelims. What does this mean? If the results of 2020 are delayed, even the 2021 prelims have to be delayed. There are no other options before UPSC. And secondly, as such a thing happened in the past, let me tell you, UPSC has never conducted prelims without completing the previous year cycle. Never in the history of UPSC. Question number 2. What will happen if prelims is conducted without finishing the previous year exam? Just in case. This is a hypothetical question. Just think about this. Suppose if I have secured 50th rank or 100th rank, why would I even reappear for 2021? Because I'm already the topper, right? Secondly, here I have to face the interview. There, if the prelims is conducted, I have to face the prelims also. And obviously mains. And mains is not long away from prelims. It's just 80 days. I think it's held on September 18th, I guess. So all of this will add extra burden on my head, right? Because there is a clash between interview of last year and the prelims of this year. So who will get affected? It is the candidates who are in the interview stage. Okay. Can UPSC complete personality test if lockdown is lifted in all states by this month? This is also a hypothetical one. See, here in Karnataka, the lockdown is until May 10th. It's the same situation in Delhi and even in Mumbai. If the condition did not recover, there's a sign of extension of the lockdown. So let us assume lockdown will extend up to May 15th. Okay, just an assumption. Okay, UPSC will declare a notification calling the interview candidates for the interview. It will not be like today they will deliver the notification and tomorrow they have to go to Delhi to face the interview. It will not be like that. There will be a minimum of 10 to 15 days gap. So what you can conclude by this, in the month of May, interview will not happen. It is clear. And In the month of June, if the condition stabilizes, interviews will begin. But the thing is, approximately the duration of interview will be around 50 to 40 to 50 days. Even if they conduct interview for 30 to 40 candidates per day, the duration has to extend for 50 days or even more than that, because they have to take more measures so as to ensure there won't be any overcrowding, right? So what I'm trying to tell you is the whole month of June will be reserved for conduction of interview only. Then where is the question of conducting UPSC prelims on June 27th? It will be delayed, I guess. So according to me, what I feel is UPSC has to conduct interview, declare the result, announce the topper, and take up prelims of 2021. This is the regular procedure. Are there any chances that prelims may not be delayed? We have to discuss this from all the directions. We know there is a lack of vaccine availability in the country, but vaccination is happening in the country and we should not deny that. Also, we should acknowledge that vaccination will progress at least by the end of this month. Secondly, prelims is just a one-day exam. If such an exam is conducted with all adequate measures, then there won't be any need to disturb the calendar of UPSC 2021, which is already pre-decided, preset. Then everything will happen according to the UPSC calendar 2021 only. So UPSC might come forward to conduct this one-day exam, taking all the measures. See, still there are 56 days more. Anything can happen. Recovery might speed up, conditions may stabilize, and UPSC may conduct the exam. Why not? These are the only points that I could think of for the prelims to happen without any delay. Uh, these are practically not possible. That's what I feel. And lastly, if there is any delay, how long would it be? I think, let me ask you a question. What is the point in delaying the exam for 10 or 15 days? If there is a delay, there would be a longer delay only. Just like last year, the exam will get postponed for 3 or 4 months. If you observe the calendar of 2021, 29th of August and 12th of September are reserved dates. UPSC might pick up those dates for the conduction of prelims. Maybe. At last, I want to tell you this. Place health and family above everything. Okay? There's nothing important other than this. That doesn't mean one has to reduce preparation. Do not delay preparation in any case. Stay focused, stay safe, and stay indoors. Thank you. Uh, Please let me know what you guys felt in the comment section. Your feedback is encouraged. Thank you.